Hey Lincoln fans, here is a beautiful black Continental. Something like you would see in the movies, man. Cruising down on a dark, rainy night, ominously cruising down the avenue. Take a look at it. Somebody has done an exemplary job on putting this together. That's my new word of the day, exemplary. But it is pretty. It harkens back to classic Americana, large car luxury, and these beautiful, beautiful suicide doors. Let's open them up and have a look. Look at that. Classic Lincoln, folks. All the controls. Look at that design in the side panels. You know, with cars like this, I don't think there's repop parts out there, so they just gotta be nice. And this one is, man. How you doing? Classic Americana there. This is in inventory here at Classic Cars of Sarasota. And if any of you are interested in it, just give Paul Megan a call. He's a friend of mine. He's a salesman here. Here's the data sheet. Here we go. 66 Lincoln. Black on black. $59,500 is the ask on it. Seems reasonable for a car in this condition. And there you have it, Lincoln fans. A classic black on black 66 Continental suicide door car. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you.